What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. This is the Rogue Vet, aka Jared here, and we are going to my buddy's house to put on his supercharger lid, his aftermarket supercharger lid. So we're going to do a quick install on that, get a bunch of clips with the supercharger whine in and out so y'all can just kind of hear how it sounds. It's going to be pretty cool. I'm going to probably do the same thing to mine when I eventually get my C8 Z06, and then we'll probably just go ahead and try to get some more content with the video. So hopefully y'all enjoy it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get in the whip. Go ahead and drive over there so we can go ahead and get the install over with. Let's roll, guys. Oh boys, look, we arrived at the house. Here's the Z06. We'll be taking off the stock lid, putting on the aftermarket one, the Dsx lid right here. I'm gonna get one of these bad boys too. There's C7 Vesky, follow on Instagram. We're gonna get this install underway and get some nice shots. You got his daily, the C250 bins. You got my daily, old reliable. And then our other buddy here, his whip. Follow him as well. All right. Sometimes Dsx lids, they come, I think, with the gaskets already in them. If you have them already in there, you should be able to just use them. Also, if you have the stock gaskets on the stock blower over there, they said you can reuse those gaskets as long as they're, in good condition. So we'll go ahead and put the gaskets back in so you can just kind of see how that process happens. It's really easy. Anybody can do it. You're just basically putting them back in, as you can see on those 4 hole slots right there, and then you're just lining it up along the whole edges of the blower and making sure everything looks correct. All right, guys, so we're going to go ahead and take the blower lid off. There are 16 total bolts that need to be taken off. 4 on the sides, 5 on the back, and then 3 right there in the front. So go ahead and take all those off, and then we'll show y'all once the lid's off. Okay, guys, I almost forgot. So I said there were 16 total. Duh. Don't forget the 4 on the top of the blower, because how are you going to get it off without those 4? So take those 4 off. Okay, guys, so basically, in order to get behind on those 5 bolts back there, what we're gonna have to do, so we don't have to like kind of wedge stuff back, there is a piece right there that you can see, and right here, this piece. Basically, there's just where you see the holes, there's little clips. Pry that off, and then this whole piece is basically gonna come off as well, so we can get behind, so we can get those bolts. So we're just gonna kind of show y'all that. All right, guys, so to get this windshield wiper blade off, 15 millimeters, as you can see right there, you need 15. Take that off, and that's going to help us to basically get this piece off here. Just kind of wiggle it up like he's doing it, and eventually it will come off. So just pull it out. I don't want to like rip the rubber. Oh yeah. Boom, guys, like that. And then there's the holes right there, and then we'll just go take the piece off. Okay, guys, just pry up on it, and you'll see he pulled it up so we can access that, and just stick it to the side. All right, guys, so we're kind of having a little bit of trouble. We had to kind of pull up on this back piece to get those 5 out. And what we're probably going to end up doing is basically just drilling in 5 of those holes so that way we could torque it down to spec correctly. If you find a different way to do it, that's great. This is just letting you know this is the process that we're going to do, at least for this. And given this is the smaller lid, I'm not sure if it changed for the 17s. But anyway, just letting y'all know that. Oh, guys, moment of truth. Oh, snap. Let's see it. Turn it around. Oh crap, guys! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that silencer, that deadening plate.
Oil on it.
We're trying to make this loud. We're trying to hear that.
No, you're not supposed to put oil on it.
Look at those blades. Look at them blades. Look at them blades. Wait. Oh, guys, look at the comparison. You can see it right there. Look at that. Feet flow. Deadening plate.
On the right.
Oh snap, guys! Look at that.
Damn it! Barely
Look at that.
touches.
Look at that. Look at it.
Yeah, it touches the.
Look at it. Okay, guys. So we're getting the bolts in, as you can see, right there. Just remember when you torque it down, it's 9 Newton meters. 9 Newton meters, and make sure you kind of do it like a wheel, where I guess you start here, got to do opposite there, here, and then over there, and just kind of you're changing the sides. I guess if y'all are familiar with torquing down, you got to do it a specific way. All right, so we're torquing them down right now, as you can see.
Watch it.
All right, guys, so make sure that you're not over torquing these because this one right here, yeah, it's broke. As you can see, look, there is the piece right here. It is broken. So just make sure when you're torquing them not to do that, because now we got to get the drill to basically, hammer that drill thing in so we can reverse it out of that and then put a new one in, basically. So yeah. Oh boys, so everything's been put back, as you can see, all the windshield wiper plastic piece. Now we went ahead and left this piece off here, this little weather stripping, because supposedly you can hear the whine even more with that, and I guess it's just gonna let more air out. You can keep yours on or not, but finished product, it looks sick. Look at that. Look at that. Man, now it's time to go get some shots so we can hear that whine. We in the Z06, guys. You can see my GoPro up there. Let's see if we can hear some whine here. Oh snap, guys. Oh yeah, you definitely hear it. That.
There's a C8 behind us.
No way.
I think it's Christian. Yeah, it's Christian. Christian! Oh! Yo, what's up? Yeah, Christian, right? Pull over!
Oh snap, boys. We got Christian up in here with the Z06, the C8 Z06.
Did you really?
Oh. All right, guys, we've seen Christian here. He's in LSC Lone Star Corvettes. We just saw him rolling down the road, and we were like, "Oh crap! Look who it is!" With his C8 Z06. Oh man, I like the stripe he put on there, the red. Dude, that looks sick. That looks freaking sick, dude. Oh my gosh, dude, so nice, so freaking nice. And then the red interior in there. God, look at that. Man, dude, looks nice. Look at the wheels. Wowzers, wowzers. There he goes.
Blower lid install, the Dsx blower lid on my 2016 Z06. For the most part, it's completely stock. I do have a few things that I need to repair. Front bumper, the front grille just got broken this week, and the windshield needs to be replaced. But other than that, there's just a few little things that need to be addressed. But if you want to tune into my YouTube channel, Roel G Garza, I'm going to do a time-lapse video of the install, and you can check me out there.
Awesome, guys. Yeah, so his Z06 sounds great. You saw it all in the video with all the footage we got. And if you're interested in getting a blower lid just like the one you saw in the video here, we'll put a link in the description where you can find that, so that way you can go ahead and install it and watch the video for that. But anyway, all right, guys, well, that's the video. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Man, that blower wine with that blower lid, I'm getting that for my Z06 whenever I get it. So hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. This is the Rogue Vet, aka Jared, and until the next video, guys, peace.